Welcome to our course JavaScript for Beginners. So let us begin. So JavaScript is basically a lightweight, cross-platform, single-threaded and interpreted or just-in-time compiled programming language. It's also known as the scripting language for web pages. Now let us go through the terms one by one. Lightweight means it can run on almost any device without requiring a lot of memory or processing power. Cross-platform means it allows us to write complete applications for multiple platforms. Single-threaded. JavaScript is basically single-threaded because originally it was only a web browser scripting language created to serve the needs of a single user on a single window of the browser, so that operations in the browser doesn't get blocked due to multiple requests. The single-threaded nature along with event loop allows JavaScript to handle concurrent operations at once. Next is interpreted or just-in-time compiled. Interpreted means that in JavaScript, each of the lines get interpreted one by one at runtime. So just-in-time compilation is a technique whereby JS code is compiled into native machine code at runtime rather than ahead of time. This approach blends the benefits of both interpretation, which offers flexibility and portability, and compilation, which offers performance to optimize code execution speed. So we have gone through all the terms. Did we miss anything? We have gone through that JavaScript is cross-platform. It's an interpreted scripting language. Definitely just-in-time compilation involved. Dynamically typed, yeah. So basically in dynamic typing, the type checking is performed at runtime. That is, the type of a variable is allowed to change over its lifetime. Okay. JavaScript is also event driven. Everything gets triggered by events. So we'll look at it practically. Now output with JavaScript. Let's go through this part practically with some hands-on.